you to Atlanta, where the local time is 8:25 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and your carrying items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate. When the captain turns off the seatbelt sign and the customers in front of you have moved to a safe distance. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. Feel free to use your mobile devices. Your safety remains Delta's top priority as we deplane today. We're asking everyone to help us out by allowing extra space between yourself and other customers. Please remain seated until the customer seated in front of you have retrieved their items and begin moving towards the boarding door. Once the row in front of you is 6 feet away, you may retrieve your items and deplane. We appreciate your understanding and assistance. Before leaving the aircraft, take good care of your seat and make sure you have everything brought on board. Your satisfaction is also important to us. In the next several days, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We value your feedback and user responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all of your future travel needs, including checking in for our flight and manage your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta, thank you again for sharing your journey with us. We have enjoyed having you on board and can't wait to have you back. Have a wonderful day.